Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send video from your gallery on Snapchat as Snap. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Snapchat, and you need to update Snapchat application. Once you've done that, you simply need to click on open and you need to record a random video. Okay, so once a video is recorded, you simply need to click on this plus icon, and here you can see import media option. Click on that and select a video from your smartphone. So after that you need to delete the first video, so you simply need to delete that. So once you delete that, you select that. So this is the video we are going to use and this is the video we are going to delete. Okay, and we have this clip, and now you can send this as a snap on Snapchat. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.